Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, if you like to make this stitch, it's a very easy stitch even for you guys, the beginners. It's very easy. Well, it's not quite reversible, this stitch. This is the front and this is the back. So, well, it's not quite reversible. This stitch has only 2 rows repeat. It's very easy and goes really fast if you have a chunky yarn, for example. Well, thick enough, you know. Okay, this stitch works with multiples of 2. I chain here 12 with multiples of 2. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the first chain, this one, and in the second chain from the hook we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, and in each chain across the row we're gonna do single crochet. So move to the next chain and do a single crochet. For this stitch in the beginning, we're gonna do 2 rows of single crochet. So I'll go ahead and do 2 rows of single crochet. If some of you know the name of this stitch, please do tell me that I will put the name. I don't know, I never saw this stitch, so I'm not saying that you know, this stitch is not rocket science to make this stitch. But if some of you saw this this stitch, please do tell me the name. Okay, then we're gonna chain 1, turn your work. The first stitch is here, so we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do single crochet, and in each stitch we're gonna do single crochet. So move to the next stitch, do a single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, and so on until we finish all the stitches in this row. But this stitch goes so fast and it's so easy. So if you want to give it a try, you can. I'm sure you will enjoy this this stitch. Too bad it's not reversible. Okay, now chain 1. And now what we're gonna do? The first stitch is here. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet. The next stitch it's here, but we're not gonna go into the stitch. We're gonna go below this stitch. The second next stitch we're gonna go below, right here. So yarn over the hook and we're gonna go below the next stitch in there and we're gonna do a double crochet. Try to make this a little bit high and do a double crochet. Next stitch we're gonna do a single crochet, yarn over the hook, next stitch is here, we're gonna go below, right here. In there we're gonna do a double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, yarn over the hook, next stitch is here, we're gonna go below, right here. Gonna go in there and gonna do a double crochet, and we're gonna alternate like this: double crochet, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, yarn over the hook, the next stitch is here, we're gonna go below, right here. Pull up a loop and do a double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, yarn over the hook, the next stitch is here, we're gonna go below. And we're gonna do a double crochet, and the last stitch is here, we're gonna do a single crochet. You're gonna finish, you start with a single crochet and you're gonna finish with a single crochet. Then chain 1. The first stitch is here, we're gonna go and do a single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each stitch. So move to the next stitch, do a single crochet, and this will be the rows that you will repeat on and on until you finish your project. So single crochet in each stitch, I think a hat, even a scarf if you want to make, you can make if you don't mind that it's not reversible. So now we're gonna repeat the row with a single crochet, double crochet. So we're gonna chain 1, turn your work. The first stitch is here, we're gonna do a single crochet. So you're gonna start with a single crochet, and in the last stitch you're gonna do single crochet. Yarn over the hook. The next stitch is here, we're gonna go below, right here, right in here. Pull up a loop and do a double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Yarn over the hook. Next stitch is here, we go below. Well, if you don't want the stitch to be so dense, you can work with the single with the crochet hook that it's a little bit bigger. So the next one is going to be single crochet. Yarn over the hook. The next stitch is here, we go below and we're going to do a double crochet. Next stitch is single crochet. Yarn over the hook. Next stitch is here, we go below, right there, pull up a loop and do a double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Yarn over the hook. The next stitch is here, we're gonna go below, right here, and we're gonna do a double crochet. Pull up a loop and then do a double crochet. The last stitch is here, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work. It's gonna look like this. So now we're gonna repeat the row with a single crochet. The first stitch is here, we go in there and do a single crochet. Move to the next stitch, single crochet, and so on until you finish the row. It's so nice, this this stitch. I don't know, it looks so symmetrical. I don't know, at least the front. So in each stitch, single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, and now you're gonna repeat the row with the double crochet, single crochet. I think I'm gonna do this row and then I'm gonna stop. So the first stitch is here, you go in there, you do a single crochet, yarn over the hook. The next stitch is here, you're gonna go below, pull up a loop and then do a double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, it's a double crochet, and so on. Next single. Yeah, well, it's easy. It's easy that it's just 2 rows repeat, and each row is not that difficult. It's very easy. So you go below, do a double crochet. The next one is single crochet. Yarn over the hook. The next stitch we go below, it's a double crochet. Last stitch, it's a single crochet. Then you're gonna chain 1. The first stitch is here, you go in there, and now you repeat the row with the single crochet. And in each stitch you're gonna do single crochet, and so on. It's really nice. It's very easy. It's, like I said, have a thick yarn, chunky one, and it's gonna be really nice. Looks really nice, this stitch. And you know, the edges are, the sides are really straight. Well, pretty much straight. So you can do this. I think for a blanket, for you guys, the beginners, I think it's a just perfect the stitch for you. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.